tita ni Janine na si Rufa Gutierrez. May patribute kay Mamita Pilita Corrales. Isa nga ang beauty queen actress at tita ni Janine Gutierrez na si Rufa Gutierrez na nagbigay pugay at nagkaroon ng tribute sa namayapang Asia's Queen of Song at legendary singer na si Miss Pilita Corrales. Nagbahagi si Rufa ng ilang larawan sa kanyang Instagram kung saan kasama niya si Pilita at ang ilang panglarawan ng veteranang singer na kasama ang kanyang daddy na si Eddie Gutierrez at ang half brother niyang si Ramon Christopher. Ayon sa naging post ni Rufa, "Thank you for the love, laughter, and music, Tita Pilita. You will forever be in our hearts. Rest in paradise, Tita. We love you so much." Cover photo was taken back in 2023 with Shara when she guested on Moms, such a cherished moment with a true icon. Nagkomento naman ng heart at praying emoji si Vina Morales. Sunshine Cruz naman ay praying emoji at crying emoji. Sumunod namang nagkomento ng 3 heart emoji si Mon Gutierrez. Si Loren Gabriela ay nagkomento naman ng heart. What memories, what a life. Ang naging komento naman ni Karen Davila. At flowers naman ang naging komento ni Teresa Loizaga. Prayers to your family ang naging komento naman ni Pamela Barameda. Ayon naman kay Jen Sevilla, condolences, love and prayers sis and the whole family. Maraming mga celebrities naman ang nagpahatid ng pakikiramay sa pamilya ni Miss Pilita. Narito naman ang ilang nakitalamhati sa pamilya ng namayapang legendary singer. Oh, what a beautiful tribute, Miss Rufa. Yes, she was a true icon, a very talented, beautiful and classy woman. Janine looks like her pala. My mama's favorite singer. They're both in heaven. Now, condolence to the family. May you rest in peace, Tita Pilita. You were loved by so much. Many, especially your family. Carbon copy ni Janine, grandmom niya. Prayers for her. Rest in peace, Miss Pilita. Kudos to the moms. And of course your dad, that all. You have siblings are close. Ideal family. Set up. Rest in paradise, Miss Pilita Corrales. Her voice transcended borders and touched the hearts of countless fans around the world. She was not just a remarkable artist, but also an inspiration to many, using her talent to bring joy and comfort to those who listened. Her talent to legacy will undoubtedly live on through her timeless music and the memories she created with her fans. Rest in paradise, Miss Pilita Corrales. We love you. One of the beautiful face in the Philippines. Rest in peace po. Oh, looks like Janine pala in her younger years. Rest in paradise, Miss Pilita. She's my lola's favorite. Grade 1 pa lang ako, alam ko na ang mga kanta ni Miss Pilita. My condolences po. Ito yung pamilya na kahit blended ay hindi magulo. Walang away sa siblings in public. Condolence po. Talagang si Janine, ang clone ni Pilita. Carbon pala siya talaga ni Janine. Rest in peace, Queen of Songs. A million thanks to you, Pilita. So sad and heartbreaking news. Si Janine talaga ang nagmana sa mukha ni Miss Pilita. The one and only, the icon, the legend. Rest in peace po, Miss Pilita. Rest well po, Miss Pilita. You're in God's hand. Sending prayers. Kamukha siya ni Janine when she was younger. Dito na pinapakita na kahit sila'y half-sibling lang na close sila sa isa't isa at happy family silang tingnan, walang awayan. Bagkos suportahan lang from lolo, lola hanggang sa mga apo. Nakakatuwa talaga kapag ganitong magkakasundo ang lahat at walang away. Sarap pagmasdan. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, Comment down below.